Hi, this is Kenny Ingram. This video is being created for those of you that are wanting to build an income as an affiliate. I'd like to talk about what I believe is the best affiliate program in the world. I not only use this service to build my online presence with, but I'm making affiliate commissions with it as well. Let me tell you a little about them. They're called Builderall. If you're doing any digital marketing online, you need the use of their tools as far as building websites, sales funnels, social proof pop-ups, if you're doing webinars or building apps, or even actually building an email list. All that good stuff. Some programs that you join as an affiliate provide some of the tools for you, but you're only limited to what they have. And you can't add to that unless you have your own web presence and have the ability to create even more powerful tools to promote whatever you're promoting. So you may be asking, how do I start promoting and marketing Builderall? Well, that's my gift to you. You can sign up for free with a 7-day free trial and get access to this 90-day training challenge. This gives you the marketing training that you'll need, and the tools will simply amaze you. Chad is the marketing director, and he has all these videos explaining the whole challenge as far as how it works, what not to do, and why most fail. So once you sign up for your 7-day free trial and get into the back office, go down here and click on the Builderall business, and then click on training, and then basic. Under basic, you'll have access to this 90-day challenge. I suggest that you listen to all the videos.
How's it going, everyone? My name is Chad Bartlett, and I'm the marketing director.
Do the video marketing. I suggest getting into blogging and content marketing. You can also use interruption marketing, such as Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, or Instagram. Chad Bartlett is the marketing director, and he's been doing this for a while, so it's very important to learn from a mentor, to learn from somebody that's already doing it in the ways that they're using. So go through all of these videos and you'll be amazed on what you learn. Keep in mind that you're starting a business, so you can't expect to get instant cash, and you have to take action to build the business. This is an excellent way for you to get started in building the business using action steps. Then you can use the ones that are doing best for you and learn them so that you know them like the back of your hand, or maybe get involved with other ones like Pinterest or some other paid advertising features maybe. But you have to improve your skill sets and work this business. We have full-on marketing training from our group with other ways that we're using to advertise Builderall, as well as getting the 90-day free challenge here. So we invite you to use these strategies that they're talking about here, which is basically Facebook groups, YouTube, and Quora. Get started and then learn some more advanced marketing techniques. If you're already in Builderall, then check out this training if you haven't been there. If not, then we have a link below this video that you can use to get started for free. The link is below, and as usual, we suggest that you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notified of new videos. We're sharing content with you and other members of Builderall so that they can improve their business. We look forward to seeing you on the other side.